What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Wall Street PR. In today's video, I'm going over Microsoft. I'm sure you guys have heard of or are all aware of Microsoft. It's one of the biggest blue chip tech stocks in the entire market, one of the safer long-term investments, and their ticker symbol, as seen in the top left of your screen, is MSFT. Their all-time high up here is $348.14. That happened back on 11/22 of 21, so November 22nd of 2021, and the current price is $254.08 per share. They have been kind of chopping around, and obviously they are down just about under $100 over the course of these past few months from this all-time high. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the recent news regarding them, some of the potential catalysts coming up for them, and talking about where I think the stock could be headed in the next few months and the next few years, and give kind of a broad long-term outlook for Microsoft stock. So to start things off, I want to go over here on Barron's. This article is titled, "Microsoft Isn't Immune to a Potential Recession, Morgan Stanley Warns." I mean, guys, take this for what it is. There's a lot of negative articles, negative PR coming out about basically any investment in any kind of market, because the economy as a whole in America isn't really doing too well right now. So all these stocks have kind of suffered and pulled back. I mean, this is a significant pullback from 348 to 254, but obviously there's still going to be that fear and people talking about it going even lower, which obviously it could do. But nonetheless, if you believe in these companies and you want to buy them at these discounts, you never are going to be able to time the absolute bottom. So you can just go ahead and buy in whenever you'd like. You can see that someone has an overweight rating on Microsoft. They trimmed their price target to $354 from $372. Obviously, guys, that's really not too big of an issue. $354 per share would put them above their previous all-time high of $348. So that is still a positive bullish catalyst. You guys can go ahead and read through all of this if you'd like to as well. But I'm going to go ahead over here and jump to Yahoo Finance, another negative kind of PR article coming from Yahoo Finance titled, "Analyst Slams Netflix Microsoft Ad Agreement Says Deal Conceals Hidden Agenda." Microsoft is helping Netflix roll out its new ad-supported offering. One analyst says the deal might conceal a hidden agenda while questioning the timeline of this agreement. It could be that Netflix is looking for an exit, Lauren Martin, Needham senior analyst, told Yahoo Finance, proposing the streaming giant is making long-term play to be acquired by Microsoft. I mean, take that for what it is, guys. This is still positive news for Microsoft. If they went ahead and purchased Netflix, that would be absolutely insane. That would blow up their valuation. That would be great for shareholders. So that's something to potentially keep in mind as well if you are a long-term investor in either of these companies. Then lastly, over here, before we jump back to the chart, I want to show you on Wall Street Journal the average price target and analysis for Microsoft stock. You can see the average price target from all these analysts who do this for a living is $346.89, which puts them just under this all-time high by about $2. The current price at this time was $253. The lowest price target for the future is $298.18, the medium $347, and the high is $400 per share. And personally, guys, they're going to $400 or $500 per share in the next few years, no doubt about it. The current price right here at $254 is a discount if you are willing to hold them for the long term. They're not the flashiest company by any means, but they have proven to bring some great, consistent long-term returns. And if you are interested in buying them at a dip, I think right here at $250-ish is a pretty good buy. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out even more and show you guys where they're currently sitting. I'm going to go ahead and draw in the support line. They have proven to have support about $240. You can see a touch point here, another touch point there, a few right there. They just bounced off this level as well, and they are kind of heading down there potentially in the next few weeks down to this 240 level. I think that's the perfect buy zone. Obviously, you're not going to penny pinch $254. Buying there at the current price is fine as well if you are a long-term believer. I do think they will see an extended move. It's not going to be straight up or anything like this. It's going to be a more gradual, drawn-out move back to $300 per share. That's my short to mid-term price target for Microsoft, is right about $300 per share, which puts them back up at this previous resistance level. And then I have no doubt about it in my mind that over the next few years, this will take some time. They will break this 350-ish all-time high and see $400 or $500 per share. They're just too good of a company. They're too big to not do that over the course of these next few years. Obviously, in this current bear market-like conditions, it's hard to see a positive long-term outlook, guys, but you have to buy when things are looking bloody and sell when everyone's greedy. So be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. That saying kind of goes well or hand in hand with the current market conditions. But with that said, guys, be sure to do your own research before investing and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.